A little bit of Teddy, Dave's, Honey, boom. Yeah, doggy. So you need salt because it's early in the morning. Come on, come on, come on. Well, this was a little bit of an impromptu start video. I gotta work on sleds today and figured I'd show you guys what we're running for sled this year. It's a pretty big change up, and I was like, you know what, I'll vlog in the morning and just kind of show you guys our morning routine. I don't know if I'll make a video out of it. I'm gonna try. So the clips before here, got up like 4:40, made some breakfast, now drank some hydrate, and now we're gonna go for a little run, probably 3 miles, real easy pace, and then just to get some miles in because I'm behind for this week. Usually shoot for around 20 to 25 miles a week. This week I'm only at 13 and it's Saturday, so today's the last day. And then after that, I'm gonna get in the woods. Daylight's at 6:15, so I'm gonna try to get some miles in, get in the woods, then go to work. Once I'm done with work, it's time to work on sleds, try to get stuff ready. Beautiful night out. I didn't mention it's 19 degrees out. Coldest run of the year so far, but feeling pretty good. Starting to warm up after a mile. Fun. Turning around. Daybreak's almost there, so I gotta get done. See what the numbers are. 7:58 pace. I was shooting for 8 minutes, so that ain't bad. Watch was a little bit off, so who knows what that, if that's really not. Yeah, day's starting to break, so time to go get in the stand. It's these early morning runs that really just feel so close to God. This place is so beautiful. So I'm a little late, but we'll see. Well, just got out of the stand. 5 does, or 6 does, all at like 60 yards through some brush, so not a shot that I could take. And then 1 lamb came into like 35, but she was a little deer. So, finally back warming up. It's freaking cold, and headed to work. Well, at work now. Time to pick that up and head to Gray. She is cold. Wham bam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now headed to Subway with the one and only
Get off the phone.
Mo Money Alex. What are we doing, Alex?
Derek won't get off the phone. He's always on the phone. Oh, honey. Oh, where are you? I miss you. Dude, shut up.
Got this loam in here. Now we're doing some hay. Alex Elliott, sell me that hay.
I can't do it.
You can't do it on
Yeah.
the spot.
Take your shirt off. Let's go, Derek. Let's go. Dig deep. Big moon tonight. You're gonna move late.
Yeah, and you're not gonna be there to shoot him.
Nope. Well, let's see if I can get it. God bless me with the opportunity to go out again tonight. Thank you, Alex, for letting us get done a little early. And now I'm gonna go on a little while longer, and then it's time to work on sleds. Maybe get a little workout in between. Gonna get a few arrows in, because I've been sucking lately and missed 2 deer so far this year. I've been watching this doe since I pretty much came in here. I wonder if she'll move. She stayed right at 60 to 65 yards and made a loop around me. Now it's past legal shoot. That's her walking. Now I gotta try to slip out of here. Without flushing them too bad. Really jumped her. But she's followed me all the way up. Or she's gone in front of me all the way up to the house. Such a nice moon now. Yummy, yummy. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Mom.
No.
Well, got done. I did some editing. Got done hunting. Ate dinner. Moose meat. Rice. Now, going to put our ruck on. And we're gonna start walking. It's a Jocko video. I'm not that cool or tough, like anywhere close. But I'm gonna go for a walk. And then work on sleds. Finally. Short walk though. Don't have much time. Gotta get it in. Well, made it over to start plugging away. And got something to show you guys. So, there's one 9R, 146. There's a second 9R, 146. And there's 2 more. So, we made the switch back to Polaris. I thought about doing a video of why. In short, It's Polaris's and main trees just work. I think Skidoos and Lynxes have their own field, and I think Polaris just work better in Maine. I like the Lynx. We all like them. Just the weight and the way the geometry is just, you don't quite get what you get out of one of these, so pretty excited to be back on a poo. Got that out of there. You gotta drill some rivets. Now time to do some welding. Beef her up.
Don't make them like they used to.
No, Polaris, you should really take notes. Whoever built those, hire them back. Derek's got his Sled looking fresh AF. Just doing some welding prep with Gorilla Tape, and then
Let's show them what we're welding with here.
yeah, our welder.
That's a brand new welder too.
Yeah, it's just stolen out of Neil's toolbox.
Thanks, Neil.
Yep, thank you in advance. Taking me back, working in the boat shop, mixing epoxy with the hat now. Just gonna mix up some jib weld, throw it in there, and then step 3 is take backwoods out of business. $19.99 for a set of rugged footwells. First bead going down. Oh, yeah.
It's a nice one too.
That thing ain't going nowhere. First one welded. Now working on getting the second one off. Jib weld, where it's at. Well, we got 2 JB welded matrix footwells. The reason why we're doing this is you can see one crack there.
This one's still good though on this side.
Yeah, it's just not there.
Not good.
So figured try to fix the problem for $20 before spend the money on a good set. But with that, this video is over.
And this sled is for sale.
There you go. Inquire. Hit us up. See you later.